Today we have the 2017 BMW 530D. This vehicle has done just over 26,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have hands-free calling, voice control, automatic headlights and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access media, communication, map and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below is our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. We can switch between our sport mode, comfort and eco pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats are cream leather.